Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about various job openings in different companies at different locations. Let's get started. Number 1. Lenskart is hiring for customer service executive for chat and voice process. Experience 0 to 5 years. Location Delhi NCR, Meerut, Gorgon, Faridabad, Noida and Bihar. Package it will be discussed by the recruiter. Responsibilities manage large amounts of inbound and outbound calls and live chats in timely manner. Follow communication scripts when handling different topics. Identify customer needs and clarify information. Research every issue and provide solutions. Freshers are welcome for voice process. Chat candidates are preferred for chat process. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 2. Wipro is hiring for international non-voice process. Experience 0 to 2 years. Package 1.5 to 2.5 package per annum. Location Hyderabad. Job description roles and responsibilities, basic English requirement and strong problem solving skills and excellent attention to detail. Ability to meet tight deadlines and work to a high standard under pressure. Familiarity with Google Maps, with MapMaker and related products. Desired candidate profile 1 to 2 years of customer services or data analysis experience or ideally within online related service. Any graduate, no postgraduate, MBA and MCA. Should be flexible to work in 24/7 shift. Should be only from Hyderabad location. Freshers are welcome. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 3. Randstad is hiring for US voice process. Location Hyderabad. Experience 2 to 5 years. Package 1 lakh to 5 lakhs per annum. Job description. We are hiring for US voice process with our leading client in Hyderabad. Skills international calling experience, inbound and outbound, US, Australia and UK calling. Experience in US voice process. Designation associate. Years of experience 2 to 4 years of experience. CTC 5 lakhs. 5 days of working. Saturdays and Sunday week off. Graduation must. Immediate joiners are preferred. Till March 2021 work from home. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 4. Hetero is hiring for microbiology freshers. Location Mahbub Nagar. Package 50,000 to 2 lakhs per annum. Job description greetings from Hetero Labs. We have a requirement for microbiology in QC department. We are looking for freshers. Qualification BSc microbiology. Job location Jadcherla, Mahbub Nagar district. Central Lab. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 5. IDECO is hiring for associate and senior associate. Work location Hyderabad. Work from home jobs. Experience 0 to 3 years. Package 50,000 to 3 lakhs per annum. We are urgently hiring for AdWords executive profile with a leading digital market company in Hyderabad location. Designation associate or senior associate. Education any UG or graduate. Experience at least 6 months of experience. Fresher can also apply. Job responsibilities. AdWords executive will be accepted to participate in outbound AdWords, consultants and sales activities. Identify the client's business requirements and accordingly formulate an online marketing solution for business development. Help customers better utilize their advertising budgets. Build strong working relationship with customers and keep them informed for new product features. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 6. Tech Mahindra is hiring for international dual chat process. Experience 1 to 5 years. Package 2.5 to 4 lakhs per annum. Location Hyderabad. Job description. We are hiring for international dual chat process. Immediate joiners are preferred. Only telephonic or video interview. Job location High Tech City, Hyderabad. Education graduates from any stream or undergraduates with experience of dual chat are preferred. Experience minimum 1 year of experience of dual or triple chat for graduates or undergraduates is mandatory. Shift timings, rotational shift, including night shift, working days, 5 working days. Transportation, two-way cab facilities provided. Immediate joiners are preferred, no freshers. Only dual chat exposure is mandatory. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 7. Amazon is hiring for Seller Partner Support Associate SPSNA work from home job. Locations Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Experience 0 to 5 years experience are preferred. Package 2.75 to 4 lakhs per annum. Job description: the Seller Support Associate acts as a primary interface between Amazon and our third-party sellers, providing a phone or email support governed by internal service levels agreements. The SPS Associate will be responsible for providing timely and accurate operational support to third-party sellers to the Amazon platform. On the Amazon platform, roles and responsibilities. This includes but not limited to the Seller Support Associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership to every our seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Basic qualifications. Education: bachelor's degree in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 8. Amazon is hiring for Senior Associate ERC Bangalore. Experience 1 to 6 years of experience are preferred. Location Bangalore. Package 4.5 lakhs per annum. Job description: the Employee Resource Center ERC Senior ERC will be work closely with ERC team in the US to provide a variety of HR services to North American employees. Basic qualifications: graduate in any discipline, 12 to 60 months of experience in international voice process. Preferred qualifications: experience in handling HR help desk, experience in HR and HR shared services, experience in people portal. For more details, check the link in the description. If you like this information, please hit the like button and share to your friends so that it will be helpful for them.